Hello together, welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style. Well, from my last trip to Spain in April, I brought these giant beans from Segovia and I soaked them during the night. And as you see, they double or triple the size of them. Yeah, just like that. And then I threw away the first water I discarded and I'm gonna boil it now. I got a pan, I got some a pork fat here which I'm gonna prepare as sofrito. We're gonna start frying a little bit of onion, and on our pot with the beans while they are cooking, I'm gonna start some sausages. I got three kinds of sausages. One is for my daughter, and the other ones are for the beans. Yeah, I got one spicy ones, and actually the sausages is the ones you like. Yeah. Back to our sofrito. I did a mistake here, which I add the bacon, which I shouldn't, but nevertheless, I gotta do an extra work. I'm gonna try to remove as much as I can. Look, I did kind of the half of it because this sofrito now is gonna be blended. That's why I wanted to have the bacon. Yeah, that's it. But nevertheless, it also will be nice. So I add a little tomato paste, as you saw it, and I add my bacon to our beans. I remove the sausages once they are cooked. Look, the beans, they are still a long way to be ready. I got some bay leaf. I got some here Spanish pimiento de la Vera. You can also add some paprika if you like to, some smoked paprika, yeah, just to have this smoke. And I got the green part of the spring onion. Yeah, this sofrito is so far ready to be blended. Yeah, and we're gonna blend it. We're gonna help ourselves with a little bit of the broth from the bean, just like that. Carefully, don't burn yourself. If it's too hot, leave it cool down a little bit before you blend it. Yeah, so just like that. Look, now we got the color and the flavor together. Now I cook and cut all the sausages which I needed. I'm gonna incorporate to the beans, let them cook, simmer, and taste the salt, taste the pepper, taste the flavor. If you like it, it's all right. If you think you can add some spicy or more pepper or more salt, anyway, I will add some oregano in this case, dried oregano. I dried them myself from my garden. I add a little bit just to finish it and let it simmer just like that. So if you like the video to here, just leave your comment behind, leave your thumb up button, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. I wish you a nice journey.